Assalamu alaikum. Today, I have given a task to express my view on the topic role of the youth and nation building. Role of youth as your role, my fellows, and the current situation, this is the topic. I say such words as you I will come on the same page, same frequency, and same leveling. Role of the youth and nation building and the current situation without Allah has no direction and destination. Mr. President, as you know that what is youth, according to United Nations, it is a transition period between childhood and maturity. It is an age between 15 years and 24 years. You can say it a youth. What is youth? Front of me as I see you, my fellows. Hope, energy, current, sparks, and you is youth. Mr. President, parity of thoughts, this is youth. My fellows, and this age your sincerity and thoughts are power, so that love to nation and fact automatically and naturally comes as we see and observe all these things with the passage of time. Mr. President, why some nations are smart and progressive in the world, and the first, they had neither natural resources as a gas, oil, etc. Mr. President, what they did, they educated them, invested them, and trained them, and as a result, they are leading nation in the world today. Mr. President, unfortunately, what happened to us? Today, the 35% of the population is youth. They are under 25 years or less than 25 years age. Approximately 7 crore out of 19 crore are youths. As from 70 decades, because of the failure of the government, they are living below poverty line. Their talents, energies, abilities, sparks, and power of touch have been wasted instead of pen and above they have given weapons, drugs, and alcohol, etc. Mr. President, their direction have been distracted. Majority of the youths lost their childhoods because for their survival they do leverage sins from their childhoods. Mr. President, judges and my fellows, it is sad. The foundation of every state is the education of its youth. Today, there is a lot of confusion in your mind. This is not your fault. It is the part of the state because of many things happen internationally. It's a culture invasion. War of terror was the only level. Actually, it is the war of values. Mr. President, what are the values before the level of terrorism and what are the values now? But we do not know and you are not aware of the facts. My fellows, poor thing should not be ignored and avoided in life. His aunt or his sister had been followed and their respective lives. The foremost and every necessary is a fact, Iman is the main thing. Never and never ignore it in any situation. The second is discipline. As nowadays, slogans of freedom has its own concept, but freedom without discipline is not freedom. Trust. Never let down your parents. Relationship between parents, generation is the only cause of trust. Commitment to your parents, dreams, and the fighters. Never forget your commitment with your elders, parents, and nation. Mr. President, and all of audience, I want to finish up my speech with this line of Agarai Ball. He says, when potential of youths have a try, that can reach their goals in the sky. Thank you so much.
Kam sikr no pas kam ragal din da ri tar manzar de sakh competition no Sir, the pointer khabara now code number 305 chaga second position chil lagaste.
Government Higher Secondary School Agarai.